Hello everybody, it is Michelle with Unicorn Spit. I'm here to show you how to use an Icon stencil machine. If you can print it like I did here, you can turn it into a DIY screen stencil. So this is the film that comes with the kit. One side shiny, one side's matte. All you do is put the shiny side down, put your printed out image over the top, secure it down with the supplied weight, which is another clear film, and expose it for 30 seconds. Once it's completely exposed after that 30 seconds, you're just going to want to dismantle your little tower of images that you've made, and you're going to want to attach the film to a hard surface and then rinse it under lukewarm water. Here I am using a very soft, fine brush just to speed it up, but you just want to make sure you don't scrub it so hard. You want to make sure that you do it very lightly, and usually the water will just wash it away by itself. Allow it to dry, and then you're just going to expose it one more time for 30 seconds. I'm going to be making DIY chalk paste using Unicorn Spit and some of my artistic vivations. I wanted to make kind of a metallic-y black. I mixed 2 little scoops to 1 ounce of Unicorn Spit of my pinchy powder, stir it up until it looks like cottage cheese, allow it to develop for 20 minutes, stir it up again, and you have yourself DIY chalk paste. Works the same as like the big brands out there where once it's dry you can wash it away with just some water. Super wonderful, and it's inexpensive. I have a board here that I'm using for my project, and I've already done a little design on one side and used Unicorn Spit to stain the other. You're going to take your stencil and you're going to just peel it off of the plastic that's on the back because it is reusable and it's self-adhesive. So you just put it on there and you're just going to rub out any bubbles that you have, but you don't want to rub it so intensely hard. It's okay if it's just laying on there. You just want no bubbles at all. From there, you just add a little bit of your DIY chalk paste you made, and remember, you can make any color you want. You can use something as simple as a plastic card just to press it through the screen. So it's going to go zip, 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 and that's when you know that it's pressing the product through the screen and onto the surface. What's nice is that you don't have to go super fast either. It doesn't dry super duper fast to the point where it dries within your screen. You are going to want to remove it when it is wet, and then you can take your time washing it out. It's okay if the Unicorn Spit chalk paste dries on it. It can be washed out so you can use your screen over and over again. Now we are just going to seal it up. Now, as you can see with Unicorn Spit, it lets you know when it's dry, when it turns to this chalky finish. And then you just add your oil-based top coat, and you can see exactly where you have applied sealer. That way you don't miss any spots, and it becomes super 3D and extremely vibrant. I love this little piece. Isn't the squirrel just so cute? Well, this little piece of wood turned into the back of a chair that I cut the feet off the bottom of it to make a little doggy bed for my new little puppy, Stella, who isn't much of a puppy anymore. But this design turned out so easy. It's so intricate, and absolutely loved it because there's no weeding and absolutely no bleeds. This kit is amazing. If you'd like to get your own IkonArt kit where all you do is print, expose, rinse, dry, and apply, all you have to do is visit their website and be sure to use the code UnicornSpit upon checkout for an awesome discount every time you buy, whether you're reordering supplies or getting your brand new kit. Till I see you again, be good, be blessed, and always let your creative juices flow. Goodbye.